everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Jenny the Makeup Mom, and today I'm going to do a really interesting video. I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. Cleaning makeup brushes, I have expensive brushes that I purchased from Sephora, just Sephora brand, maybe a couple years ago. I've had them now for a couple years and I absolutely love them. I have added to my collection. You can go to Sephora and just buy one brush at a time if you want to make it a little bit cheaper on yourself. But I purchased to initially a whole travel starter kit, which I think it was like $88. So it was enough, but not professional pricing. They're really good style brushes and I absolutely adore them and I treat them like my children. So I'm going to show you how I clean them. I don't spend a lot of money to clean my brushes. I don't buy expensive cleaners. Somebody, I think it was about a few years ago, gave me the greatest tip on how to clean makeup brushes, and it's the only way now that I clean them. So I'm going to show you that tip today. I'm going to go through cleaning a couple and show you the end result before and after, and they're amazing, like how this product will clean it. And it's simple that you might have used before, probably on yourself or on your children. And it's simple. It's Johnson's & Johnson's baby shampoo. That's what I use and have used to clean my makeup brushes since I've bought them. It's gentle on brushes, and if you need it to clean your brushes and get all of the makeup out, use Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. So that's what you're going to need for this. You're going to need Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. I believe I paid $4 for this at Walmart. Like next to nothing. I have bought expensive cleaners before where I paid $20 to $30 a bottle and it lasted me a month because that's how much product I need. This will last me forever. And of course I use gloves because I just got my nails done today and I am not wrecking my new nails and having them fall off. And my brushes. So let's continue this video and I'll show you how I clean my brushes. Okay, we're back. I also forgot to tell you, you're going to need a roll of paper towel. So I've got a little bit of the shampoo in the water in my bathroom. I'm going to put my trusty gloves on. I'm going to show you before and after, and I'm going to show you while I'm doing them so you can actually see exactly what I'm doing. We're going to start with one of the most used and loved brushes is my fan brush. I use that to put bronzer on, so it's really, really dark. So that's the before. So I'm going to swirl it around the water. And that water is already turning a little bit. If you can see in the water there, it's already turning a little bit. The makeup's already starting to come out of it, which is great. And I just swirl it. And you'll see the finished result of this brush. You don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive cleaners. It just doesn't make any sense. So just take a little bit of shampoo onto the brush, and because it's so gentle, it's not going to wreck your brushes. And I'm going to show you as I'm pressing it all that makeup that's coming out. I like to give them a lot of time to dry before I put them on my face again, so probably I'll do them in the afternoon so I can use them the next day. And then I'm going to take on that paper towel and you're just going to swirl it around to get any excess makeup off. And that is our end result. Perfectly clean, no makeup left, smells good, and then I just lay them on a paper towel to dry. And I'm going to show you another one of my never loved brushes, which is my big finishing powder. That's the brush I use, so it's got a lot of product in there, as you can see, a lot of product. And again, the same thing, I'm going to swirl it around in that water while squishing the brush out to get a lot of that makeup off. Charlie's decided to join us. Hi, Charlie. He's decided to join in the fun here. Mommy's cleaning her makeup brushes. Yes! I don't need your help, though. If I did, I'd call you. You go play. So, again, just a little bit of that soap. You're going to squish it around in your hand. As you can see, a lot of that product is coming out. So, this is working out perfectly. Like, there's cleaners out there that are sometimes $50 for cleaning makeup brushes, and that's unreasonable to spend. For mothers, that's unreasonable. You don't need to spend that when you can use perfectly good product bought at Walmart, and it's gentle on your brushes. There you guys, look at my clean brushes. Even my beauty blender is amazingly clean. Like, how fantastic is that? Awesome. So again, just baby soap and washing them out on a paper towel. They look brand new brushes. I'm like, it's the best thing in the world. So there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little tip and video. Again, we just used baby soap. I had my gloves and paper towel. Simple. Like $5 to clean all of my makeup brushes. And like, look at you guys. Like, this was one of my most used brushes. Like, looks brand new. Awesome. So if you like this video, please like the little thumbs up, hit that thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, that would help me out so much. And hit that little bell because it would get you all the notifications for new videos that I'm posting. And I post daily. So come and join me and have fun. Oh, and follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Jennifer L. Maxwell. That's Jennifer L. Maxwell on TikTok. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Jenny the Makeup Mom. Okay, everybody, stay safe and stay healthy and stay fabulous.